Hey ProBono crew, it's Claire Desira here, and today I want to tell you about a newsreader that I felt so sorry for. I felt so sorry for him in the midst of the early corona updates when probably more people than ever had been watching the news in such a long time. He shared an old update. Yep, the corona chaos had caught him out in such a big way, and he was probably going to become a meme. The other stations were going to have a field day with it, and his mistake would probably go viral. The news was that Tom Hanks had coronavirus, and I'd heard it 5 days before, so I just felt so sorry for him that he'd made this mistake. And then I realized that I should actually be the viral meme. The meme of someone desperately trying to refresh their phone, looking for that next update to come through. I'd fallen totally into the news treadmill. I'd been trying to work out what was happening to feel some sort of certainty and feel better, that I'd just been reading so much news I'd almost felt like I'd read a week's news in an afternoon. That news treadmill cycle looks a little bit like this for me. Read the news excessively, consume everything that I can to try and find the answers, get a momentary feeling of control and almost a strange satisfaction that I'm prepared, and put the phone down. And then of course that feeling fades away, and so I start looking again for more control and sense of satisfaction. And so I go back to the phone and hello Google, my old friend. That's the loop that I get stuck in. I don't know about you. It's a little bit like a sugar rush, which for me plays out like this. Eat the chocolate, all of it if I can, get that momentary feeling of joy or satisfaction. That feeling subsides as the sugar rush dies down, and then I get on the hunt for some more chocolate. Can you relate? But the thing is, we can actually learn how to identify these patterns and learn new ways to be able to interrupt them and understand what we need more clearly. Because let's be honest, amongst the unfolding corona chaos, I didn't actually need more celebrity news or Tim Tams. I actually needed something else. And when I thought about what it was that I needed, I actually really needed to feel strong. Above everything else, I just wanted to feel strong. Strong like I could take on or be ready for whatever came next as best as I could. Strong enough to be able to support the people around me if needed. And so to do this, I didn't need more news. I needed to ask myself a few questions. What was the feeling I was after? How could I get it? And what was it really that I was looking for? For me, it was strength. And so instead of reaching for my phone again, I knew what I knew best, and that was to actually fuel myself by taking actions within my control that could make me feel stronger. Drawing back to the basics, looking at my habits. My habit like writing down a top 5 list every day, 5 moments I want to remember from that day, always makes me feel mentally stronger. My basic self-care, like moving my body, because always I feel stronger when I exercise, even if it's just a 5-minute walk around the block. Was drawing on my ability to be, and skills that I have to actually be able to check in on other people and see how they were feeling. It was about fueling myself with the most productive, encouraging, and productive thoughts to help me get through this time. When you're in a spin or trying to navigate change, welcome to adult life. It's so easy to diss the basics and stop believing in the simple things that make the biggest difference. Even when tried and tested, these ideas and tools can feel a little boring. But at Top 5 Movement, we've not been described the most refreshing take on resilience and mindset for no reason. We bring the science back to life in the most compelling and engaging ways so that your team and you want to actually make change. We work with teams to identify unhelpful patterns, thought loops, and outdated stories that could be driving fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And we share practical ideas to help fuel a more productive and encouraging culture, and how to rewire and retrain your brain on a daily basis in the easiest ways so that you can thrive through change or even maybe get better results. If you're listening for your team and you're ready to give this a go, then follow the links at the end of this video or below and book some time directly in my diary. Let's get this show on the road. If you're listening for you, then I encourage you to watch out for those thought loops take a breath, ask yourself what you need. I'm pretty sure you know what it is, and I'm very sure it's not another Tom Hanks update. But now take care of yourself, keep it simple, and we'll see you soon.